Patience is one of the most valued skills in trading. You have to remember to only strike when the time is right. Attaining the skills to become a great trader is a lifelong journey. To be successful requires you to make changes in your life. 4 essential skills any successful trader needs. They won't just help you trade better, they can also help you lead a better life. Excellent advice on trader psychology. You need to have the right approach to winning and losing trades. In order to avoid losses, you must first understand and respect them. But more importantly, you need to mentally accept them. Smart traders trade less, not more. Don't let yourself get caught up in the market. Trading on emotions is one of the riskiest things you can do. If you think you're acting on emotion rather than the state of the market, you need a break. A great trading strategy to reduce losses. Every time you lose a trade, reduce the amount you are trading. In trading, the price of an instrument isn't as important as the value it gives you. A great point illustrating that a saving account will never make you rich. Trading is a much more effective way to create wealth. Essentially, losses are only a bad thing when you fail to learn from them. By learning from your losses, you are less likely to repeat them.